My channel Shasar Classes. I am Shasar here. My dear students, today we are going to discuss the very most important mathematics of class 10th questions, as most of the students were asking me few doubts, especially with respect to the chapter areas related to circles. So now we are going to solve few important questions related to areas related to circles, and then if any students have any sort of doubts apart from this, you can ask me. Then finally we conclude this session by ensuring which type of questions can appear in tomorrow's board exam. So this session is one of the most important session for you all. Hi Piyush Jain. So we are just going to wait for another 2 minutes so that we are going to start up with today's session. Okay, so let me start with today's class. Before going to start up with this class, okay, I just want to ensure that if I find any sort of comments which is disturbing others, so that particular student need to be blocked, so that for the next 24 hours that student cannot join any of our sessions. So I request all the participants to please show your interest and dedication, as you have got a very short period of time which you are going to face your the major important exam of class 10th, that is mathematics. So without wasting much time, I want you all need to focus and give importance to this session and get some knowledge. And apart from that, the very most important questions, definite questions which you can expect in tomorrow's paper. So now, without wasting much time, let me start the math crash course. Already we have done part 1 and part 2, where we have discussed in both the parts surface areas and volume related questions. Now in this session we are going to study about the chapter areas related to circles. Yeah. Now in the chapter areas related to circles, the very most important formulas. Please make a note, as these formulas are very important for you all. Which are those formulas? Circumference, it is nothing but perimeter of a circle. So circumference or perimeter of a circle, it is given by the formula 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Sometimes it is also given by the formula pi into d. where d is diameter, r is radius of the circle. Next we have the formula to find area of a circle, that is pi r square. Then we have the formula area of a semicircle. Area of a semicircle. The formula is pi r plus 2r. We can take r as common. Then it becomes r into pi plus 2. So this is the formula which we use to find area of a semicircle. Then perimeter of a semicircle. To find the perimeter of a semicircle, we have the formula pi r plus, to find the perimeter of a semicircle. Sorry, just a minute. Area of a circle is pi r square. Area of a semicircle is half of pi r square, because it is semi. Semi means half of this, pi r square by 2, or half of pi r square. Similarly, to find the perimeter of a semicircle, we have the formula pi r plus 2r. So r we can take common, r into pi plus 2. And then to find area of a ring or an annulus area of a ring or annulus, as you can see, the area of a ring, we have the outer diameter and inner diameter. So that's the reason we take it as pi into capital R plus small r. So capital R is the radius of the outer ring, and small r is the radius of smaller ring. Sometimes we take it as R1 and R2. R1 is outer radius and R2 is smaller radius. So pi into R plus R into R minus R. Then to find the length of an arc, we have the formula theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r to find the length of an arc. And then we have the formula to find area of a sector. Area of a sector. The formula is theta by 360 into pi r square. As this, both the formulas are very highly important, which we are going to use it here. So area of a sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. And sometimes we can also write this formula as 1 by 2 into L into R, where L is nothing but length of arc. Sometimes they will give you the radius and they will give length of arc, and they will ask you to find the area of a sector. Then you can use the formula 1 by 2 into L into R. Is this clear? Similarly, to find area of minor segment, we have the formula theta by 360 into pi r square minus half into r square into sine theta. This is a direct formula, children, to find the area of a minor segment. Sometimes if they ask you to find the area of a minor segment, then you can use this formula directly. That is theta by 360 into pi r square minus 1 by 2 r square sine theta. Is this clear? Then the next formula, area of major segment. To find the area of major segment, we have the formula, that is area of the circle minus area of minor segment. What is area of circle? That is pi r square minus area of minor segment. So this is the formula which we use to find the area of major segment. Area of major segment. I hope students you all are understanding. So these are the very most important questions. Based on these topics, you can expect the questions. That is the length of an arc, area of a circle, area of a circle, area of a sector, area of minor segment, area of major segment. And at last, one more important formula which you need to remember. Okay, that is perimeter of a sector. To find the perimeter of a sector, we have the formula theta by 180 into pi r plus 2r. Theta by 180 into pi r plus 2r. This is the formula which we use to find the perimeter of a sector. Any doubts? Okay, so we have discussed the formulas which we are going to use to solve the problems according to this topic. Okay, now without wasting much time, let me start solving the problems. Which are the types of questions you can expect in your upcoming exam? Let's see. The first question is, make a note for 1 mark. Which type of question you can expect? Take down length of an arc, length of an arc of a sector, length of an arc of a sector of a circle of radius r and angle theta is dash. Can you tell me the answer for this? To find the length of an arc of a sector of a circle of radius r and angle theta is? Okay. Raju Patel, if you are not interested, you can leave the class. Please kindly do not disturb others. So we are discussing the most important questions related to tomorrow's board exam. So this is for 1 mark. Yeah, can you tell me the answer? Length of an arc of a sector of a circle of radius r and angle theta is? Yes, child. Asma, we are going to discuss the theory, which type of theory questions you can expect. We will discuss one by one, step by step. Kindly please cooperate and attend this session. First, let me to complete this session, this topic. Then I will be discussing. When I ask you, if you have any doubts, at that time you people can share with me your doubts. I'll try to find the solutions for that. Yeah. So what is the formula to find the area of a to find the length of an arc? So option A, theta by 360 into pi r square, Option B, theta by 360 into 2 pi r square. Option C, theta by 180 into 2 pi r. Option D, theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Yeah, which is the correct answer? Can you tell me, children? Which is the correct answer to find the length of an arc of a sector? Yes, good. The correct answer is option D. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So this is the formula which we use to find the length of an arc. Next question. Make a note. If the area of a circle, if the area of a circle is 49 pi square units, then its perimeter is dash. The options are 7 pi units, option B 9 pi units, option C 14 pi units, then option D 49 pi units. If the area of a circle is 49 pi square units, then its perimeter is. Can you tell me the correct answer? Which is the correct answer? They have given area of a circle. What is area of a circle? They have given 49 pi. What is area of a circle formula? Pi r square. Pi r square is 49 pi. Isn't it? So pi pi get cancelled. R square is equals to 49. R equals root of 49. Then R is equals to 7 units. R equals 7 units. So we got the radius. Now they are asking to find the perimeter. Perimeter of what? Perimeter of a circle. So what is the formula to find the perimeter of a circle? Just now I have given you the note. Just now I have taught you the note. I have given the list of formulas. Circumference or perimeter of a circle is given by the formula 2 pi r. So to keep pi as it is, because the option in the options pi as it is there. ओके ऑप्शंस में देख सकते हैं पाई है, पाई के फॉर्म में आंसर है, इसके लिए हम पाई को ऐसे ही रख रहे हैं. वी आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग फॉर पाई, कीप इट एज इट इज. 2 into pi into radius is 7. 7 into 2, 14 pi. So option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Children, these are the most important questions which you can expect in tomorrow's exam. Is this clear? 14 pi units is the correct answer. Next, we'll move ahead to the next problem. That is question number 3. In the figure, find the length. In the figure, find the length of an arc AB of a circle center O if angle AOB is equals to 90 degree. Now in this question they have already given the figure. So they have given a sector, let me say O, and this angle is 90 degree. This is 90 degree, and they have given the radius as 7 centimeters. Radius is 7 centimeter. AB. Okay. So OA and OB is the radius. They are cutting with an angle of 90 degree. They both are cutting with an angle of 90 degree with radius 7 centimeter. Now they are asking us to find the length of an arc AB. So what is the length of an arc AB? What is the length of an arc AB from here to here? What is the length of an arc? Yeah, we have the formula to find the length of an arc. To find the length of an arc, that is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So theta is angle. As we know that angle they have given 90. 90 by 360 into 2 into pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 7 centimeter. So it is 7. 7 7 get cancelled. 0 0 get cancelled. 9 1s are 9 4s are. 2 1s are 2 2s are. 2 1s are 2 11s are. So the answer is 11 centimeters. To find the length of an arc, the answer is 11 centimeters. Next question. Let me proceed further. I hope you all have got the idea how to solve this type of questions. Good. Question number 4. Write the formula. Write the formula to find area of sector of a circle if angle at the center is theta degrees. So what is the answer? So what is the formula to find the area of a sector? To find area of a sector, area of sector is given by the formula theta by 360 into pi r square. Next question, one of the most important question. Please make a note. If the perimeter and area of a circle are numerically equal, comma, then find the radius of the circle. Yeah. How to find the solution for this? Can you tell me the answer for this? If the perimeter and area of a circle are numerically equal, what do you mean by this statement? They are saying that perimeter of a circle, area of a circle, both numerically means both the answers are equal, it seems. You have to assume. We have to assume that perimeter of a circle is equals to area of a circle. Perimeter is equals to perimeter of a circle is equals to area of a circle. Then what is the radius? So what is the formula to find the perimeter? To find the perimeter of a circle, formula is 2 pi r. Area of a circle, pi r square. So we can pi get cancelled. One time of r get cancelled. So r is equals to 2 centimeters. But here, please be careful. In the question, nowhere they have given any units. Can you see this? Nowhere they have given any units. So we can write as r is equals to 2 units. No centimeter, no meter is given. So you can just write r is equals to 2 units. Units you have to write. Okay. Is this clear? Good. Yeah. Shall we solve the next question? The next question here is question number 6. Make a note. The perimeter of a circle with center O is 24 centimeter, comma, the angle formed by an arc, the angle formed by an arc of the circle at its center is 30 degree. Full stop. Find the length of the arc AB. As you can see, they have given the question. This is a circle. Let me say OA is the radius and here OB is the radius. It makes an angle 30 degree. Can you tell me the answer for this? It's a one mark question. The perimeter of a circle with center O is 24 centimeter. They have given perimeter as 24. Correct? So can we write here data? Perimeter is 24 centimeter. Perimeter is nothing but perimeter of a circle is perimeter is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equals to 24. Okay, let me keep this as it is. Next, they have given that the angle formed. What is the angle formed? That is theta. Theta is 30 degree. Now they are asking us to find the length of the arc. They are asking us to calculate the length of the arc. So we can directly write here the length of arc is equals to, we have the formula theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Correct? Length of an arc formula is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Yeah. Okay. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So what is angle here given? Angle is theta 30 divided by 360 into 2 pi r. As you can see directly perimeter they have given, perimeter itself is 2 pi r. So directly we can substitute in place of 2 pi r, in place of 2 pi r as 24. In place of 2 pi r as 24. Is this clear? Good. Then 0 0 get cancelled, 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 2s are, then 12 1s are 12 2s are. So the length of an arc is 2 centimeters. 2 centimeter. Clear? Yeah. The next question, make a note. Make a note. The next question, question number 7. Area of a sector. Area of a sector of angle P. Of angle P. It is in degrees of a circle with radius r is option A P by 180 into 2 pi r, option B P by 180 into pi r square, option C P by 360 into 2 pi r, option D P by 720 into 2 pi r square. Yeah. So which is the correct answer? Yeah. Can you tell me which is the correct answer in the given options? Option D, B. Okay, let's see. Here the given question is area of a sector. We are finding area of a sector. So here we don't see the options. Okay. We have general formula to find area of a sector. To find area of a sector, the formula is theta by 360 into pi r square. But here they are saying that use angle name as use the name of the angle as P, not theta. First change P. Okay. Divided by 360 into. Now, again, as you can see here, the given option P by 360. Now, where is P by 360? Now, as you can see, P by 360 is here. But here we have 2 pi r. But here we have pi r square. Correct? Here we have 2 pi r, but here we have pi r square. So what to do? What to do? Any guess? What to do? P by 360 we got. But here we want pi r square. But here we have 2 pi r. So what we have to do? Simple. Observe here. In the given question itself, in option C, P by 360 is given into 2 pi r. So here what we can do? 2 ones are, I mean 2 ones are, 2 eights are 0. So if we are going to change this, it will convert as P by 180 into pi r. Again if you reduce this also, again if you reduce this P by 360 into 2 pi r, you are getting P by 180 into pi r. But here we want, what do we want? We want P by 360 into pi r square. Correct? So we cannot change this. Now come back to option D. In option D, what is given? As you can see, in option D, they have given P by 720 into 2 pi r square. So here let me change P by 720 into 2 pi r square. So 2 ones are 2 threes are 6, 2 6 are 12, 0. As you can see, we got the value as after simplification P by 360 into pi r square. As we can see here from both the sides, actually we wanted P by 360 into pi r square, right? Yes. So the correct answer is option D. Option D is the right answer. Any doubts? Any doubts? Did you understood? Sometimes you need to correct the options in this manner. Okay. And dear students, one important note for you all that to find the area of the shaded region. Okay. Earlier in the previous year, we had the topic called as area. To find the area of a shaded region, if you are solving any problems related to your previous year question paper, any other question bank of last year, if you see any questions related to shaded region, example, they may give you the options like this. Here we have a curve, here we have a curve. Understood? So this is shaded, this part is shaded. They will ask you to find the area of shaded region. So this type of problems are deleted in your syllabus. Please remember this point. Got it? So if they ask you to find the area of shaded region, so you don't need to study such type of questions because area of shaded region topic has got deleted. It is not there in your syllabus. Don't forget it and simply don't waste your time by observing such type of questions so that you should not get unnecessary confusions. As my teachers have not thought this, but I have got this question, how to solve this? I am confused. That should not happen. That is the reason I am instructing you all regarding that. Okay. Now, let me solve the questions. Yeah. Now we are going to solve 3 mark related questions. 2 mark, 3 mark related questions. So till here we have done with all the 1 mark type questions. Now we are going to solve 3 mark related questions. Let's begin. First question. The area of the sector, OAYB shown in the figure is 462 centimeter square. Full stop. Find the length of the arc AYB if angle AOB is equals to 120 degree. So the figure is given in such a way that this is O, this is A and this is B. OA and OB are the radius and here we have a chord. This is called as a chord. Let me take a point on the space as Y. Okay. We are going to take a point as Y on the circumference. Dear students, I request once again that I don't want unnecessary conversations. Only I want the answers. When I'm asking the questions, please let me know the answers if you are knowing. If not, I need to block certain students over here on the group because of unnecessary chats. Please focus as tomorrow is your boards. So this is very important session. Should not miss it out. Who knows if any question comes straightforward as it is, as like what today we are going to study. Yeah. Please read the question carefully. Yeah. Can you read? Try to first analyze the given question. Actually, these all questions are very simple and easy, children. Nothing to worry. The area of the sector OAYB as shown in the figure is 462 centimeter square. So they have given the area of a sector OAYB. Now they are asking us to find the length of an arc AYB. That's it. Very easy, very simple and very straightforward question. Very straightforward question. Let me solve here. Now, before going to this question, let me see. The area of the sector OAYB. So this is called as sector. Yeah, children, one thing you have to ensure the difference between sector and segment and length of the arc. Please don't get confused between these three words. I'll show you the difference between these three. Okay. So let me say this is center of the circle O. We have got the radius A and B and it's cut with an angle of theta. Again let me take O. Again let me take OA. Let me take OB. It cuts with an angle of theta. Again let me take OAB. It cuts with an angle of theta. Which subtends with an angle theta. Now in this figure, this complete region is known as sector OAB. This complete region, the shaded region, can you see the region which I have shaded? This is known as sector. This part is sector. That's nothing but minor sector. This is called as minor sector. Usually minor sector, we call it as only sector. Minor sector is called as sector. OAB. It is a sector. Understood? The region which is above the shaded region, जिधर पे मैं शेड करके हूं वो छोड़कर जो बाकी का प्लेन स्पेस जो दिख रहा है, that is said to be major sector. So this is minor sector, this is major sector. Right now the formula which we use to find the area of a sector, that is for minor sector. We are finding for minor sector. Understood? Now in this figure, can you see the length of A to B? A से B तक कितना arc cut हो रहा है? Can you see this arc? From A to B it's cut. Yeah, so this is known as length of arc. This is known as length of arc AB. Length of arc AB. Now, observe your children. If suppose this is a circle, take a point A on any point on the circumference of a circle and take one more point B on any point of a circumference of a circle. Join A to B. If we are going to join A to B, so this is known as chord. So what is a chord? Chord is a line which joins any two points on the circumference of the circle. Understood? So this is called as chord. Chord AB. Chord AB. Any doubts? Now, the region. Can you see this? Below AB. Below this AB. So this region we call it as minor segment. This region is called as segment. This region is called as sector. So this is minor segment. The above region is major segment. Above region is major segment. So don't get confused between these three different topics. Understood? So here also I am going to join AB. So you can see here this region is minor segment and OAB is a sector. OAB is a sector. I am going to take a point on the space. Let me say this point. Then OAYB. Understood? This complete region. Understood? In the figure, that is what they have given here. Can you see this? OAYB. This complete region is a sector. This complete region is a sector. Followed? Did you understood the difference between minor sector and major sector, minor segment and major segment, and what do you mean by length of an arc? I have shown you the difference. Whenever you get a chord, we get a segment. If there is no chord, then we get a sector. Followed? Yeah. Now, they have given area of a sector, isn't it? That is, area of sector is given. So, what is the area of a sector? 462 centimeter square. And also they have given angle AOB. AOB. This angle. Can you see this? This angle they have given as 120 degree. Correct? So you can write here angle AOB as 120 degree. Now what is been asked us to find to length of the arc AYB? To find the length of an arc AYB. Now my dear students, to find the arc length, that's nothing but to find the length of arc, we have the formula theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Correct? Isn't it? This is the formula which we have to find the length of arc theta by 360 into 2 pi r. But we know theta. Theta is 120. We know what is theta. But we don't know what is radius. To find radius, to find the value of radius, they have given this condition. Use this condition and find the radius. This is what they are telling. Which condition? Area of sector. So what is the formula to find area of a sector? That is theta by 360 into pi r square is equals to 462. Theta is 120 divided by 360. Pi value is 22 by 7 into radius we don't know, that is equals to 462. 0 0 get cancelled. 12 ones are 12. 12 fours are 12. 12 threes are 12 threes are 36. Okay, is this clear? Then, is any terms will get cancelled 22 by 7 and 3? No. So we can do directly that r square is equals to 462 into 3 cross multiply divided by 22 into 1 will become 22. As you can see, r square value is 462 into 3 divided by 22. So 2 ones are 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 threes are, 2 ones are. Right? Then 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, remainder is 1, 11, 11 ones are 11. So r square is equals to, r square is equals to what? If you're getting confused, just a minute, I'll show you. See, once again, I'll write it here. 1 by 3 we got no. Then write r square is equals to 462 into 3 into 7. Okay. This 3 denominator, this 7 denominator, this will multiply with 462. Okay. Divided by 22 into 1 will comes down. Then you can see 2 ones are 2 ones are. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 ones are 2. Then 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, remainder 1, it becomes 11, 11 ones are 11. Then what is left out? 21 into 7 threes are 21. So r square is equals to 21 into 21. Then r is equals to root of 21 into 21. That's nothing but 21. So 21 centimeter. So radius is 21 centimeter. Now directly we can substitute theta is 120 divided by 360 into 2 into pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 21. So 0, 0, 12 ones are 12 fours are, 2 ones are 2 twos are, okay, 2 ones are 2 11s are, 7 ones are 7 threes are, 11 into 3 is 33 centimeters is the correct answer. Dear students, this question has been asked for 3 marks in your model question paper number 1. That's it. Understood? Is it difficult? Is it difficult? So this year, my dear students, you are going to expect the questions similar to this. Direct, you have to just remember the formula. Direct substitution is required. Okay. If any students are going to chat your personal in this chat room, that student will be removed hereafter. It's a last warning. Again, it won't be repeated. So that unnecessarily that student will be losing this session. But still, even though if you are losing the session, no need to worry. Once if the session gets over, the recording will be posted on my YouTube channel, Shah Sir Classes. So you can view the recording and you can prepare for the exam. Okay. Now let me solve the next problem. The area of the sector, the area of the sector of a circle is numerically equal to the length of the arc of the same sector full stop. If the length of the arc is 44 by 21 centimeter, then find the radius of the circle and also the angle subtended by the arc at the center. Copied. Have you copied this question? Yeah, even this question is very, very, very easy. Nothing to worry. As you can see the question. The area of a sector. See children, they are telling that area of a sector of a circle is numerically equal. Means what answer you will get of area of a sector? It is same of length of the arc. Just now we have done one problem, remember? In your 1 mark carrying question. Yes. Area of a sector is numerically equal to length of an arc of the same sector. Now they have given length of the arc is 44 by 21 centimeter. Length of arc they have given. They are asking us to find the radius of the circle. Very easy. That's it. They are asking us to find the radius of the circle and also angle subtended by the arc. They are asking us to find the value of theta. They are asking us to find the value of theta. So how to solve this problem? Now first let me write the condition. We know that as per the given statement, area of the sector is equals to length of the arc. Can we write? Now what is area of the sector formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Length of the arc? Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Now, as you can see, when both the values are numerically equal, so what we can do it here right now, theta get cancelled, 360 get cancelled, pi and pi get cancelled, one time of radius and one time of radius get cancelled. So what is left out? R. So R is equals to 2. Just let me keep this value as it is. Now what is this R? This R is nothing but radius. So according to the given question, we can say that the radius of the circle is how much? You can write therefore radius of the circle is 2 centimeter. Why centimeter? Because here they have given centimeter. Done. Now what to find? We have to find the theta. To find theta, we have to use this condition. What is the condition? Length of the arc. Can you see this? We are supposed to use this condition. We are supposed to use this condition, that is the length of the arc. So here we can just write it, that is length of the arc is equals to 44 by 21. Formula to find the length of the arc is theta by 360 into 2 pi r is equals to 44 by 21. Now, according to the question, we don't know the value of theta. Keep it as it is. 360 as it is. 2 into pi is 22 by 7. Radius, just now we have found it. Just now we have found the radius value is 2 centimeter. Substitute radius as 2. That is equals to 44 by 21. Followed? Now, is any terms get cancelled? You can cancel it them here itself. So 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2 8s are 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, 0. Again 2 ones are 2 9s are 18, 0. Any other terms get cancelled over here? Numerator and denominator we can cancel. Yes, we can cancel even other term also. That is 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Next 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. We can reduce to its simplest form till here. Now after simplifying, now we keep theta as it is and rest of the terms we shift to the other side. So theta is equals to 44 into 45. This will comes to the numerator divided by, here we have 11 into 21 followed followed, yeah, then 11 ones are 11, 11 fours are 44. Then in which tables it may go? 3 tables, yeah, 3 sevens are 21, 3 ones are 3, remainder 1 15, 3 fives are 15. Then 15 into 4, 44 by 21, 60, 60 by 7 you are getting. So where we have gone wrong? Can you check? Theta by 360 length of an arc into 2 pi r 44 by 21. Okay, we have one more term. Can you see this? 45 is denominator, 7 is denominator. Numerator is 11, isn't it? So 45 we brought here. Again we have denominator 7 here. Again 7 also we should bring here. So this 7 and this 7 get cancelled. Okay? Is this clear? Yeah. Now we can say that the angle theta is 15 into 4 is 60 degrees. That's it. Any doubts? Is this clear? Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts still here? No doubts? Good. I hope you have got the idea how to solve the problem. One more question related to 3 mark. Let's see. Yeah, make a note. Take down the question. Take down the next question. Once again, you have a doubt? Okay, I'll just show you. Yeah, I think you have got it out till here, right? See, I'll solve it here. We know that till here I hope you have understood. Length of the arc is theta by 360 into 2 pi r equals 44 by 21. Now, theta by 360 into 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into radius is r is equals to 44 by 21. Correct? Now what we did here, simple. See here. Now let me keep theta as it is. I am keeping theta here. This theta I am keeping as it is. Rest of all the terms shift to the RHS part. So it becomes theta is equals to 44 into 360. Okay. Let me to write a bit down. Yeah. Theta is equals to 44 into 360 into 7 divided by 2 into radius also we have to change, right? Just a minute. The struck. Yeah. So radius is 2, right? 2 centimeter. Okay. 44 into 360 into 7 divided by 2 into 22 into 2. This will come to the denominator. Followed? Is this clear? Now, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Next, 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16, then the 0 as it is. Which question you have a doubt? I am not getting. Can you please simplify and let me know? First question. Sir, first question. Which is the first question you have doubt? Can you just tell me the hint? Which question you are telling? I'm not getting. What you are telling? Number one question. Number two. Yeah, still we have to write 44 by 21 also, right? Shut. Just a minute, children. You are making me confused here. Okay. Observe here. Look at here. Theta, we write it as it is. Theta is equals to 44 into 360 into 7. This all will goes to the numerator divided by 2 into 22 into 2 into 21 is denominator. Now fine. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. Excuse me. Just a minute. 2 twos are 4. Then 22 ones are 22 ones are. Then 2 ones are 2. Ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 eights are 16. 0. Then 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 threes are 21. 3 ones are 3. 3 six are 18. And this is 0. So theta is 60 degree. Now you understood? Okay. Children, first I am going to solve the problems related to this chapter. And after this, if you have any doubts related to any other chapter, you can ask me. If you have any doubt related to this chapter, you can ask me here itself. I will solve the doubt. In case if you have a doubt of some other chapter, please wait for some time because it should not get mismatched. That is the reason I am telling you all. Okay, fine. Take down the next question. Take down the next question. The length, the length of the minute hand, the length of the minute hand in a clock, in a clock is 14 centimeter. Full stop. Stop. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 10 minutes. Okay. The length of the minute hand in a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 10 minutes. Children, make a note. Before going to solve this problem, I just want to give a important note. It may be helpful for you. Take down. Make a note. Angle subtended. Angle subtended at the circumference by a diameter is always a right angle. Is always a right angle. And next point, angle described by minute hand in 60 minutes is 360 degree. Then angle described by hour hand in 12 hours is 360 degree. Next point, number of revolutions in 1 minute is equals to distance moved in 1 minute divided by circumference. So this is a direct formula to find the number of revolutions in 1 minute. So number of revolutions in 1 minute equals distance moved in 1 minute by circumference. Okay? Is this clear? Hope you have understood. Okay. Now we'll come back here to the given question. Let me to erase this. Okay. Now here the question is, the length of the minute hand in a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 10 minutes. I think it's so easy, right? What is they asking? The length of the minute hand. We have two hands in a clock. One is hour hand and the other one is minute hand. But here the question is given as per to the minute hand. So the length of the minute hand in a clock is 14 centimeter. So length of the minute hand is 14. They are asking how much area it is swept in 10 minutes. Yeah, can we solve this? Shall we solve this? Now, what they are asking? Area. So, that is area swept by the minute hand. So, area swept by the, suppose the minute hand is here. the minute hand will sweep the area in 10 minutes. Suppose this distance. So we are going to consider this as area. So we know that area of a sector, that is area, is equals to theta by 360 into pi r square, in which they have given the length of the minute hand, that is nothing but radius. So radius here is 14 centimeter. So area, so that is nothing but uh, okay. So first we have to find, I think, the angle. So what is the angle is given here. Now you can just write the reason here. Since the minute hand, make a note. Since the minute hand completes, just now I given the note, remember. Since the minute hand completes one full revolution, completely it will revolve. Remember, if minute hand is revolving completely one cycle, then it is said to be in 60 minutes. If minute hand is revolving one complete cycle, अगर से minute hand ये complete एक बार rotate कर दिया, मतलब कि complete एक rotation move हो गया 60 minutes में, तो हम उसको बोलते हैं 360 डिग्री. We call it as 360 degree. Understood? So the angle theta, how much it has moved in 10 minutes means what you should do? 10 divided by 60 into 360. To find theta, in 10 minutes, the minute hand is moving for 60 minutes in a complete one cycle, that is into 360. Then this 0 get cancelled. 6 ones are 6 6 are. So 10 into 6 is 60 degree. This is how we have to find the theta. Now we got that value of theta. Just substitute here to find the area swept by the minute hand in 10 minutes. So theta is 60 by 360. Pi is 22 by 7. So radius is 14 centimeter. But here is r square. So we write 14 into 14. Now we have to simplify these values. 0 get cancelled. 6 ones are 6 6 are. Right. Next 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 sevens are 14. This 7 get cancelled. Now left out is, what is left out? 22 into 14 divided by 3. Now I can just multiply directly. 22 into 14. Now we can multiply directly 22 into 14. What will be the value? 308 by 3. So 308 by 3, if you are going to divide, you will get 102. Remember, 3 ones are 3 tens are 30. Right? 3 twos are 6. Remainder 2.20. 20. Again 3 6 are 18. So we can write as 102.6 centimeter square. Clear? So the area swept by the minute hand in 10 minutes is 102.6 centimeter square. Anunaik, definitely I'm going to solve your doubt, child. Please have a patience. First, let me to complete the chapter which I'm taking here. Again and again, I'm repeating right from the time. You people are commenting in the chat section. Just wait for a minute. I'll come back to your doubt. Have patience. Okay. So the next question. Find the area. Find the area of the quadrant. Find the area of the quadrant of a circle. Find the area of the quadrant of a circle whose radius is 20 centimeter, and also find the perimeter of the quadrant. Is this clear? Yeah. Can you find the answer for this question? It's very easy. Find the area of the quadrant of a circle whose radius is 20 centimeter and also find the perimeter of the quadrant. Yes. Any clue? Find the area of the quadrant of a circle whose radius is 20 centimeter and also find the perimeter of the quadrant. Any clue? Say children. Suppose if this is a circle, we know that area of a circle is pi r square. The area of a circle is pi r square. I am going to divide this circle into two parts. If I am going to divide this into two parts, this area is pi r square by 2, half of the area of a circle. That is pi r square by 2. Clear? Yeah. Now, according to this question, it is a quadrant. What do you mean by quadrant? If this circle, if I am going to cut into 4 parts, this quarter area is known as quadrant. So here I am cutting this circle into 2 parts, so pi r square by 2. Here I am going to cut this circle into 4 parts, so I am going to use that as pi r square by 4. Understood what do you mean by quadrant? So to find the area of a circle, it is pi r square. Area of a semicircle is pi r square by 2. Area of a quadrant is pi r square by 4. So this is how the formula is being generated. This is the formula. So first they are asking us to find the area of the quadrant. So we can directly write here area of quadrant is equals to pi r square by 4, in which already they have given the radius. So pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 20. So it is r squared. So we write 20 into 20 divided by 4. Then any terms will get cancelled. You can cancel it. 4 ones are 4. 4 5s are 20. Right? Any other terms get cancelled? No. So 22 by 7 directly we can write as 3.14 into 20 into 5. 0, 5 2s are 10. So 3.14 into 100, it becomes 314. Is this clear? 314. 314 centimeter square. So this is the formula. This is the value of area of quadrant. Now sub question there is, they are asking us to find the perimeter of the quadrant. So to find the perimeter of the quadrant, as we know that the quadrant is nothing but 1/4 of the circumference of the circle. If this is the circle, so this is the quadrant. This is 1/4 part of the circle. So this is nothing but a quadrant. It is 1/4 of the circle. So what is complete perimeter of circle? Perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. Perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. Then perimeter of quadrant is this complete circle we have to divide into 4 parts, no? Yes. So here we can write perimeter of quadrant is 2 pi r by 4. Understood how did we derive this formula? Perimeter of the quadrant is 2 pi r by 4. Got it? Is this clear? Is this clear? No. It is not like that. Perimeter of the quadrant is not 2 pi r by 4. Why? Because I'll let you know. See here. Here we are going to find the perimeter of a quadrant. To find the perimeter of a quadrant, first we have to find, observe here. First we need to find this curve. From here to here, what is the length? First you find that curve length. Understood? To find this curve length, this is what the formula. We are just using, this is not perimeter, 2 pi r by 4. It is just, we are finding the curve length. So this is nothing but circumference of the circle. This is circumference of the circle. This outside boundary is known as circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Understood? For perimeter of the circle and circumference of the circle, answer is 2 pi r. But only for that, but not for everything. So here the curve length is 2 pi r by 4. Now substitute this 2 pi r by 4. Okay, later we do the substitution. So we got to know that curve length is 2 pi r by 4. Now we have to find the perimeter. To find the perimeter of a quadrant, what we should do? We have to add curve length plus 2 times of radius. Curve length plus this radius and this radius. What do you mean by perimeter? First of all, perimeter means sum of all the sides. Example, I have a triangle. If I want to find the perimeter, what we should do? Perimeter अगर से find करना हो तो AB को BC को AC को तीनों को add करना है. पूरे sides को अगर से हम add करें, ये ಎಲ್ಲ sides ಗೆ ನಾವು add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ perimeter. So ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ perimeter find ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ even in this also, if you want to find the perimeter, what we should do? First we have to take this side. Correct? First we have to add this side plus this side plus this side. So we have to add all these three sides. So this side is curve length. And this is one radius, this is one radius. So we have 2 times of radius, that is 2r. So what is curve length? 2 pi r by 4 plus 2r. Plus 2r. Now 2 into 22 by 7 into radius. What is the value of the radius? Yeah. So what is radius is given over there? Yeah, radius is 20 centimeter. Radius is 20 by 4 plus 2 into radius, that is 20. Now 2 ones are 2 twos are, it get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 tens are. Now 22 by 7 we can take it as 3.14 into 10 plus 2 into 20 is 40. So 3.14 into 10, what it becomes? 3.14 into 10 you can multiply, it becomes 31.4 plus 40. 31.4 plus 40, it gives you 71.4. 71.4 centimeters. 71.4 centimeters. Is this clear? So this is what they have given in the next model paper. I hope you are understanding the ways how the questions can be asked in the exam. So you are supposed to solve. Sometimes they'll ask you direct question. Write the formula to find the area of a quadrant of a circle. So what is the formula which we use to find the area of a quadrant of a circle? You just write pi r square by 4. That's enough. Okay. Is this clear? Good. And let's see any other set of questions are being asked related to this in the given model papers. Yeah. One more question they have asked, but it's a simple question. That is in the figure. O is the center of the circle. Area of the sector AOB is to area of the sector circle. Area of the circle is 1 is to 5. And if the radius of the circle is 7 centimeters, then find the length of the arc AB. Very easy, man. That directly you have to just substitute the formulas. Nothing else. Okay, let me try. I'll show you. So this is the question. Make a note. In the figure, O is the center of the circle. full stop. Area of a sector AOB is to area of the circle is equals to 1:5. And if the radius of the circle is 7 centimeter, then find the length of the arc AB. So this is the question is given OAB. Simple man. See here. What are the values they have given? Quick. Area of sector they have given in the ratio. Shall we write here? We know that area of sector by area of circle is equals to 1/5. We are converting this ratio into proportion. Area of sector is to area of circle, that is area of sector by area of circle is equals to 1:5 is equals to 1/5. Now what is the formula to find the area of a sector? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Area of circle is just pi r square is equals to 1/5. Am I right? Is this clear? Yeah. Here nothing is there in denominator. Isn't it? Is anything is there in the denominator here? No. So we can write as pi r square by 1. Pi r square by 1. Please be careful with this step. Area of sector theta by 360 into pi r square by area of circle. You want me the question once again? Yeah, look at here. The question is in the figure O is the center of the circle. Area of a sector AOB is to area of the circle is equals to 1:5, and if the radius of the circle is 7 centimeter, then find the length of the arc AB. Okay. Is this clear now? Okay. Now, what we can do it, observe you. Shall we cross multiply 5 with this and pi r square into 1? So it becomes 5 into theta by 360 into pi r square is equals to this into this into this. 1 into pi r square is pi r square. Cross multiplication. Now, here numerator pi r square. Can you see this? Here in the numerator we have pi r square, right? Okay. What do we want here? First of all, we need the value of theta. We want the value of theta. Done. So we can cancel this pi r square and this pi r square. So theta is equals to 360 will goes up divided by 5. 5 will comes down. Cross multiply. Because both pi r square, both the sides it is common. Pi r square get cancelled. So theta equals 360 by 5. Then 5 ones are 5. 5 sevens are 35. Remainder 1. 10. 5 twos are 10. So theta is equals to 72 degree. Theta is equals to 72 degree. Is this clear? Now they are asking us to find the length of the arc. To find the length of the arc, we have the formula length of the arc is equals to theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta just now we got 72 divided by 360. divided by 360 into pi is 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into radius. So the value of the radius is how much? So radius he has given us 7 centimeter. So 7 into 7. So this 7 get cancelled. Then 72 by 360. Shall we cancel this? 2 ones are 2. 2 eights are 16. 0. Just a minute.
Just a minute.
Yeah. So let me proceed. 2 ones are 2 eights are 16 0. Then 2 threes are 6. 2 6 are 12. Again 2 nines are 18. 0. 2 ones are 2. 2 eights are 16. Done. So it goes with 3 tables. 3 threes are 9. 0. 3 6 are 18. 3 tens are 30. 3 twos are 6. Done. Now 2 into 22. 44 into 7 divided by 10. 44 into 7 divided by 10. So 44 into 7, it is 308 divided by 10. So 308 divided by 10 is nothing but 30.8 centimeters. Is it correct? Formula is wrong. Sure. Confident. Very good. How can you tell the formula is wrong? Yes, we know that to find the length of the arc, it is not pi r square. In case if we are going to use pi r square, your entire answer is wrong. So actually we are supposed to use what? 2 pi r. Correct? See, a single small mistake can lead to the entire problem destruction. So theta by 360 into 2 pi r we are supposed to write. Done? That is 72 divided by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is given as radius is 7 centimeter. So radius is 7 centimeter. 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. Done. Then you can cancel them as it is. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 eights are 16. 0. Again 2 nines are 18. 0. 2 threes are 6. 2 six are 12. Done. And after this, what we can write? 2 ones are 2. 2 eights are 16. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. Done. Again it goes with 3 tables. 3 6 are 18. 3 ones are 3. 3 fives are 15. Isn't it? Now what we can write directly, we can write here in numerator we got 6, 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15, 3 fives are 15. Now 2 into 22 is 44, this 7 get cancelled, divided by 5. So 44 divided by 5, The answer is 8.8 centimeters. 8.8 centimeters. See children, till now the sums which all we have done, it's all direct formulas. Only area of sector, area of circle, length of an arc, and also we have seen, what did we observe? We have observed only four formulas. So let me come to the conclusion that which type of problem we can expect for this year board exam. Only you should remember the area of sector formula, length of an arc formula, area of circle formula, and area of quadrant formula. You are supposed to remember these formulas. If in case if you are going to remember these all formulas, that is more than sufficient. Okay, so this is how we are expecting this year the questions related to the chapter areas related to circles. So here we are getting an idea, we are getting the general idea that which type of question we can expect from the chapter areas related to circles. You will be not getting any other question apart from this, that is for sure. So that is the reason the model question paper. And it's a myth. Most of them are thinking like model question papers, if you are going to study, we will score this number of marks. It's a myth. It's a misconception. No. If you are going to read model paper, you are not going to score 60, 70, 80. But you are keeping these model papers as a reference to understand what paper may come next. This is what the idea we have to generate, to analyze, to think, and also to elaborate, and also to concentrate what type of questions may appear. Understood? Definitely from model papers you will get the question, but not like same as it is. Understood? Here we have used different conditions. You have seen we have solved different sums, different types of problems we have solved. In all the different types of problems, we are applying these formulas in different ways. We are applying these all the formulas in different ways. Isn't it? Yes. So that here we are going to learn, here we have learned that how in different cases, how we are applying this formula to find the required solution. ठीक है, हमारे को बस ये फार्मूलास याद रहना है, ये फार्मूलास को किस तरह से यूज करना है, ये हमारे को मॉडल पेपर से सीखने को मिला. तो इसी तरह से कोई और किसी और कंडीशन दे सकते हैं. दे मे गिव यू अनदर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कंडीशन. अंडरस्टूड? डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ कंडीशन दे कैन गिव यू एंड दे विल आस्क यू in different scenario to find the solution, but you have to remember these four cases, and one problem we have seen based on the number of revolution, that is minute hand, based on the hand, clock hand. I think even that problem is also simple. So this is the end of the session, areas related to circles. Now you can let me know if you have got any doubts. So let me to clarify. From that time most of them were asking, sir, we have doubt, we have doubt. Yes. Now you can tell me if you have got doubt. Another 5 minutes we are going to end up this session. My dear students, still if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes, do subscribe it and click the bell icon. And the admissions are opened in our coaching center, that is Evershine Coaching Center. Evershine Coaching Center. It's in Bangalore. It's in Bangalore. Locality, it's a Tannery Road branch. Here we conduct classes from 1st to 12th standard for state, ICSE, CBSE, science, commerce, and arts. For all these branches, we conduct the classes over here. And already the admissions have got opened. Munavo, you are asking me that first answer was wrong, sir. Which one, child? Let me confirm. So, I'm not getting. This is my contact number. Okay. You can call up me straight away. You can ask, let me know which question you are speaking so that I'll just clarify your doubt instantly here itself. This is my contact number. See, children, we have A similarity criteria theorem and BPT theorem. From these two theorems, you can expect one theorem for tomorrow's exam. And we have tangent theorem. Actually, this is the major theorem from circles. And another theorem is there, it is called as perpendicular theorem. Okay. So out of these two theorem, you can expect one theorem. If the ratio of the triangles are proportional to the sides and hence prove that the triangles are similar, it's there, no? That is A similarity, and Thales theorem, that is BPT. Out of these two, you can expect one theorem. And again from tangent and perpendicular, you can expect one theorem. Based on these two cases, you can expect the theorem. Okay. So any doubts? Any doubts? Sayed Munawar, if you have doubt, I think you are telling me some first answer was wrong, sir. But I'm not getting child which first answer, which first question you are speaking. I have just shown you my contact number. You can just dial it to me now itself. You can just tell me which is that question, so I can go to that question. I can correct the mistake. Okay, clear? Yeah. See, children, from 2 marks questions, you can expect a question from SN and AN. Like find the sum of first 20 terms of an AP. They'll give some AP. Or find the 20th term of an AP. You can expect the question. Again, next, based on elimination method, you can expect a question. Based on elimination method, you can expect a question. And pair of linear equation, in the chapter pair of linear equation, understood, they will tell you that the solutions are infinitely many solution. They'll give you the condition like there are infinitely many solution, find k. In last exercise, you have a problem related to this in the exercise. You can just check it out. Check it out. So from pair of linear equation, the solutions are infinitely many solutions, then find the value of k. This type of question you can expect for 2 marks. Done? So these are the fixed questions which I am speaking right now. And apart from that, basic questions I'm just telling you all. And they will give you, either they will ask you to find the discriminant, or they may ask you to find the nature of the root, or sometimes both. Be ready to answer the question. Find the discriminant or nature of the root. Now in distance formula, we have two cases. In distance formula, we have two cases. When we know A and B coordinate, we use the formula D equals root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. One more from origin. From origin to find the distance, we have the formula D is equals to root of x square plus y square. Based on this question, and again they will ask you to find the coordinates. Find the coordinates of a point. Find the coordinates of a point P which divides the line AB. Which divides the line AB. Then we are going to use P of x comma y is in the ratio 3:2 internally. Can you see the question? In your textbook also it is there internally. Very, 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 very important question, children. Internally. Okay. We are finding the points, coordinates of the points which divides the line AB in the ratio 3:2 internally. Okay. And in what ratio? So it's a 3 mark question. In what ratio? You can see in work example also, in below the question internally, you have a question in what ratio. Okay, this is one of the most important question for 3 marks. Don't forget this question, in what ratio. Again, one more question is there in the same chapter, parallelogram. Can you see? There is a question called as a parallelogram. There is a question called as a trisection. Out of these two, you can expect any one question for 3 marks. Either for parallelogram, the points are in the parallelogram ABCD, and find the value of K, find the value of X, like that they may ask you. And also the question based on trisection. You can expect a question. Is this clear? And remember the condition. If you want to tell the given points are collinear, then AB plus BC should be equal to AC. This condition should satisfy. They will give you ABC 3 points and they will ask you prove that they are collinear. If they are collinear, or by using collinear condition finding some unknown, then you have to use this condition. AB plus BC is equals to AC. AB plus BC is equals to AC. To prove they are collinear, chances are less, but still you can expect a question. Okay? And ultimately, midpoint formula. Based on the midpoint formula, sometimes they'll ask you direct, write the midpoint formula, or based on midpoint formula, any question they will ask you for 1 mark. Chances are there for 1 mark. Okay? And coming back to the next topic, standard form. They'll give you the question like this: x plus 1 by 2 is equals to 3 by x. Write in the standard form. So simplify this and write in the standard form in the chapter quadratic equation. And children's, very important question for 3 marks from the chapter polynomials. The question is this, and this one: find the zeros of the polynomial. Find the zeros of the polynomial. Okay, they may give you x square plus 7x plus 12 something, of the polynomial p of x equals x square plus 7x plus 12, and hence verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficient. Verify. 3 marks. Compulsory question. Sure question. Sure question. And this time chances are high, according to me, they may ask you prove that root 2, root 3 or root 5 is irrational number. Please don't neglect this question. Any of these, root 2 or root 3 or root 5, they may ask you. This all you know, right? 3 plus root 5 or 5 minus root 3 is irrational number. This all you all knows it. How to prove they are irrational number. But anyhow, you have to remember this 3 plus root 5, 5 minus root 3. You have to remember. But still, according to me, I am expecting root 2 or root 3 or root 5 is an irrational number. They may ask you. Okay? And already I have discussed. Okay. Now, statistics, you know very well. I don't want to elaborate the things. You know, no statistics. Mean, mode, median. Mean, mode, median. All the 3 methods you learn and go. One theorem you learn and go. From polynomials, which I said you learn and go. Find the zeros of the polynomial and hence verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. You have to prepare and go. And just now we have solved areas related to circles problem. Yes, similar to this one question they may ask you. And one question they may ask you from the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. Introduction to Trigonometry. Chances are high they will ask you the question from the last exercise. Please practice properly the last exercise of the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. Some around 10 problems are there. Practice all the 10 problems. Any of the given question they may ask you from that. Is this clear? You can expect a question over there. So these are the very easiest questions from the following. And one question you will get from coordinate geometry for 3 marks. One question you will get from coordinate geometry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One question you'll get from coordinate geometry. Don't forget. And one more is there from your quadratic equation or something like that they may ask. But according to me, you people can prepare for the 6 questions. As if no. Okay, the 6 questions are sure for 3 marks. And coming back to 4 mark carrying questions. In 4 mark carrying questions, one question is your graph. The second question is from the chapter applications of trigonometry. And third question is your theorem. The third question is the theorem. And then the fourth question, okay, surface area and volume, surface areas. And fifth question is AP. So according to me, graph compulsory 4 mark. Now, chances of these are there. Anyone will go to 5 marks and rest of them will remain in 4 marks. Sometimes applications of trigonometry he can ask for 5 marks. Sometimes theorem he can ask for 5 marks. Surface areas they can ask for 5 marks. AP problem they can ask for 5 marks. But according to me, I believe that this time you can expect for 5 mark a theorem. Chances are there, but don't stick to that only. But I'm just telling you. Hope so. 5 mark, you can expect a theorem. State and prove Thales theorem. That's nothing but basic proportionality theorem. Okay. So, children, if you are going to call me any of the time, I may not pick up your call. Okay. Just in the comment section itself, after this session, I'm telling you, in the comment section itself, if you have got any doubts, you can comment me. I will revert back your doubts. So, no need to waste your time just calling up and asking me any sort of doubts. If you have any doubts in the comment section itself, you can comment to me. That's more than sufficient. I'll get back to you. Okay? Is this clear? So I have given you the brief information about your 2 mark question, 3 mark question, 4 mark questions, and 5 mark questions. So all the best. Keep well. Be safe. We'll meet even for the next subjects also. I'll be coming live to help you out, to help you all for the remaining other subjects also. Hope so. Pray for me also to come live because already I'm engaged with my coaching center students. I'm not getting much time to come live, but still I'm trying my best. Apart from my school hours, apart from my institute, apart from my other etc. works. So I've tried my level best to help you all. Hope so. We get a very good results this time from you all. Got it? Thank you, children. And you can forward this message to your other friends also. You can share this video with your other friends. So let they also get benefited out of it. So they may also get an idea which are the types of questions we can expect for this year for 2 mark, 3 mark, 4 mark, 5 mark, and also the chapter areas related to circles. Still, if you have any doubts of surface areas and volume, you can just watch my the previous parts, previous videos. In that I have covered surface area and volumes right from the basics. And do not forget to comment how was this class, how was my explanation, how much it was helpful, and how much it is useful for you all. Take care, all the best. Meet you all in the next session. Take care, all the best.
Thank you.